Hello, everyone. I am Brandon Saw, CEO of Lunit. In my presentation, I would like to introduce you to Lunit and how we are applying AI in transforming chest and breast imaging. Starting with a brief introduction of our company, founded in 2013, Lunit is one of the first medical AI startups in the world. We've been funded around 50 million from remarkable investors from Korea, Japan, China, and the US. And we've grown over the years, and currently we have more than 120 employees. We are a well-established startup company, recognized to be one of the top 100 AI companies in the world by CB Insights, and as one of the top tech pioneers in the world by the World Economic Forum. We've also been featured in major press like Forbes, Newsweek, and BBC. So our core competence is our technology, in which our high-end deep learning technology has been recognized to be world-leading in various competition, beating respectable competition like Microsoft, Google, and IBM. Another strength that we have is our strong medical foundation. We have 7 full-time board-certified physicians, including radiologists, who guide us in data collection, curation, and also lead our clinical studies that have been published in more than 40 papers. We have overall managed to collect an unprecedented level of data of more than 4 million cases from multiple sites throughout the world. And we have been guided by key opinion leaders like Dr. Elliot Siegel, Dr. Linda Moy, and Dr. Khan Siddiqui as advisors. We are currently focusing on chest and breast imaging, covering the entire diagnostic spectrum, starting with screening modalities like chest X-ray and mammography, and to also cover predictive biomarkers in pathology and more. Today, I would like to focus and talk about our most advanced products in chest X-ray and in mammography. Lunit Insight CXR is a diagnostic support tool that covers 10 radiologic findings. It is currently actively commercialized and used in clinical practice with regulatory approvals in the Korean FDA and CE. More than 1 million cases have been used for training, and the accuracy level has reached around 97 to 99% overall in terms of AUC values. And Lunit Insight CXR has been validated in various clinical settings, and those studies have been published in various peer-reviewed journals. Lunit Insight CXR has been validated to perform at a very high level. And as you can see, the accuracy level has been demonstrated to be higher than that of radiologists. And when it is used as a second reader, it significantly improves the diagnostic performance of its users, which is the most important factor. This is an example of a case in which a lung cancer case missed by 5 out of 10 radiologists is correctly detected by Lunit Insight. You can see how there's a hidden nodule behind the diaphragm, which can be easily overlooked, and it is well detected by the AI. Lunit Insight CXR can also be used as a workflow efficiency tool, demonstrated to increase reading time by at least 30%. By sorting out positive cases from normal cases. Overall, Lunit Insight CXR increases detection rate of key findings by more than 20%, decreases reading time by more than 30%, and significantly increases the turnaround time for critical findings. We have also applied our AI for the fight against COVID-19. We have adjusted our consolidation algorithm to perform well in detecting COVID-19 associated pneumonia by additional training the algorithm with COVID-19 cases. And the algorithm reaches the sensitivity as high as 80 to 90% based on PCR test results. So the problem with COVID-19 diagnosis is that the PCR test used to confirm COVID-19, it often takes a long time, even 1 or 2 days to come out. So immediate clinical action cannot be taken upon first visitation of the patient. So Lunit Insight CXR can be used to triage patients who have COVID-19 associated pneumonia with very high sensitivity to enable immediate clinical action upon the first visitation of the patient. Now, this is especially useful in resource-restricted hospitals. Our COVID-19 product is being used in clinical practice to triage COVID-19 in various sites throughout the world. We have a public demo available for anyone to log in and upload DICOM files and check out the results of the COVID-19 algorithm. The results come out within seconds. And you're also welcome to request for a formal demo where we can set up on-premise demos for a larger number of demo. Moving on, I would like to go over our mammography product. Lunit Insight MMG is built to accurately detect lesions suspicious of breast cancer. It is regulatory approved for Korean FDA as well as CE. Trained by more than 160,000 cases, including more than 40,000 biopsy-proven breast cancer cases. Its performance level reaches around 96% in terms of AUC. It has been clinically validated and published in several peer-reviewed journals. And similar to Lunit Insight CXR, Lunit Insight MMG has been demonstrated to outperform radiologists and more importantly, shown to significantly improve their interpretive accuracy when used as a second reader. The most remarkable aspect of Lunit Insight CXR is that its accuracy level is well maintained, even in high-dense breast, which is really the most challenging cases for mammography. This is how it really helps radiologists to become more accurate. We've also tested Lunit Insight MMG in a large screening cohort from Sweden and demonstrated that the abnormality score of the AI corresponds well to cancer incidence. So basically, when AI says it's negative, which covers around 80% of the screening population, the negative predictive value is very high, 99.97%. And this implies the potential for the algorithm to be used as a triage tool. So overall, Lunit Insight MMG increases detection rate of breast cancer by more than 20%, decreases reading time by more than 30%, and also decreases recall rate by 20%. And as an additional function of the product, Lunit Insight MMG can also make assessment of breast density with high accuracy of 99%. Lunit Insight DBT is also in development as next step, and it will be commercially available by 2021. Last but not least, I want to go over our commercialization efforts. So Lunit Insight is offered in various product formats. It can either be directly integrated in the image acquisition device, or it can be integrated into PACS, or it can be also offered as a vendor-neutral standalone product. Overall, we've started selling Lunit Insight since around a year ago, and we've had pretty good traction in the market so far. But we have over 100 paying customers throughout the world using Lunit Insight in clinical practice. So having been tested in over 80 countries, we plan to scale out our sales globally, especially through our partnerships with major vendors like GE, Fuji, and etc. Our products are offered for free online as demo. If you're interested, you can log in to insight.lunit.io and upload DICOM files and check out the results of the AI within seconds. We're also offering our product for demo on premise, so if you are interested, feel free to request for a formal demo. Thank you for your attention.